Ready to ditch Wix and boost your e-commerce game with Shopify? Let's jump into a streamlined migration. First, check if Wix offers a direct export option for your products. If so, download that CSV file. If not, don't worry. We'll manually grab your product info in the next steps. Manually copy product details from each Wix product page to a spreadsheet like Google Sheets or Excel. Include title, description, price, images, and any variants you have. Ensure each product has its own row. This is the most important and difficult part. Now, in your Shopify store, go to Products, then click Import. Here's where we'll upload all of those products to our site. Upload the CSV file you created. Carefully match the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Shopify, such as product name, description, and price. This tells Shopify where to put the data. Make sure everything matches as expected. Review a few imported products to confirm everything looks right. Check descriptions, images, and variants to make sure it all transferred correctly. For blog posts, look for an export option in Wix. If there isn't a direct export, again you may have to copy and paste content into Shopify's blog section. Crucially, install a 301 redirect app in Shopify and set up redirects from your old Wix URLs to your new Shopify ones. This helps maintain your SEO ranking and ensures customers land on the right pages. And that's it. Take some time to polish your new Shopify store's design, set up payment gateways, and configure shipping settings. You're ready to launch.